This time I'm bringing you a simple and delicious idea for the holidays. Some potato and tuna bites that will make your Christmas appetizer shine, making everyone happy and satisfied. The first thing to do is to boil the potatoes. Once the potatoes have cooled a bit, we mash them. I add some salt to the potatoes, a bit of pepper. I chop a few sage leaves. And besides the sage, some parsley too. You can decide the amount yourself. And we add it to the mixture. And of course we'll add the tuna. This is tuna in olive oil, drained, and we add it to the mixture. Now all that's left is to mix everything. Once the mixture is ready, very easy and very simple as you saw. Now all that's left is to prepare our little bites. So we can decide to make them a little bigger or a little smaller. I actually thought of making real little bites, so cute little balls of finger food. And here they are, our little bites. Aren't they cute? Really beautiful. Okay. Now let's set them aside for a bit and prepare the braiding. In a plate, beat 2 eggs with a bit of salt, a bit of pepper, and in the other we put some breadcrumbs. Okay. We put our balls in, we dip them, let's say we soak them, as they say. Here we go. Once that's done, we coat them in breadcrumbs. Without getting our hands dirty, we do it this way. Here we go. Then, of course, we shake them, and here is our breaded bite. Let's continue with all the others. And here they are. Our bites are all breaded. And now all that's left is to cook these bites. How? We have 2 options, to fry them in plenty of oil or to bake them in the oven. Today I decided to bake them in the oven. This way I'll make a lot of my followers happy. I arranged them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, so I set them all up like this. Cute and pretty, all nicely arranged. And I dip them with some extra virgin olive oil. And at this point, all that's left is to bake. And our little bites are ready to be enjoyed. I baked them at 190 degrees for 25 minutes using a convection oven. So now we'll let them cool down a bit and then we'll enjoy them. Before serving these fabulous bites at the table, we'll give them a touch of freshness with a sprinkle of organic lemon zest. Please remember, this will make the dish fragrant and delicious. And now I'll have a taste. Soft and delicious. How delicious. And with this exquisite taste, I say goodbye to you